When you're firing up your fan for the first time, here are some recommended practices to build into your startup procedure. Always, step one, make sure you properly install a fan. Consult the IOM manual and make sure that fan is properly installed. Once it is properly installed, let's bring the fan up to full speed. Let's let it run for 1 minute. After that 1 minute, let's shut it down. In that very short process of bringing it up to full speed, 1 minute operation, and shutting it down, here's what you're wanting to look for and listen for. You're trying to identify any abnormalities like bearing noises. Bearing noises could be a cause of lubrication issues in the bearings because they sat too long, flat spots in the bearings. There could be some things you got to check out there if you hear any noise in the bearing. You could have other unusual sounds, such as squealing. That could be a result of belt squealing or something like that, or some other rotating part that identify where that squeal is coming from. Also, metal grinding. If anything shifted while that thing was in transit, it's possible you've got metal grinding somewhere. Often that's taking place inside the fan housing. Maybe the wheel is rubbing on the cone or something like that. Listen for any metal grinding. Next, you want to check vibration during the coast down. So after you've shut that down, the fan's going to take a while because the inertia has been built up with the wheel spinning. It's going to take a while to coast down. As it does, observe any abnormal vibrations you see in the fan. These are actually quite normal. As it's coasting down, you might see a vibration point that could occur, let's say at 44 Hertz or at 33 Hertz. Note those points. Observe the vibration that happens at them and make sure you avoid them in your operation of the fan. You never want to operate a fan in a spot where it's a resonant frequency like that and there's a lot of vibration happening. Last note, always remember, never exceed the max fan speed and never exceed the max full load amp rating on your motor.